Thank you for joining us in part 3 of this weekend adventure of airplane tent camping. In part 1, we departed Red Deer Saturday morning. We flew west into the mountains over Pinto Lake, past the Columbia ice fields, overflew Malign Lake, and landed in Jasper for lunch. In part 2, we departed Jasper, did a scenic flight around the Jasper town site and surrounding lakes, and headed northeast to the beautiful Hinton Entrance Airport, where we met up with our new friends from Camrose. We set up our tent and spent the evening visiting and cooking over the campfire. Although the weather overnight was excellent, we had a not-so-great sleep on our half-inch self-inflating sleeping mats, which by the way seem to be getting less and less adequate as the years go by. We woke up Sunday morning, had a great breakfast, slowly packed up, and departed for home, which is where we pick this up for this final part of the series. On our way home, we deviate to pass by the Wolf Lake Airstrip and the Brazeau Reservoir and recreation area. Anyway, let's get flying.
Hinton Entrance traffic, Gulf X-ray Zulu Sierra, S2E12 is on the roll 22, Hinton Entrance. Speed's alive, instruments in the green. Birdie. Hold it in ground effect. No wind, this is all from the heat. Can't get over those hills quite yet.
Pardon?
So they can't get over those hills quite yet. Gotta gain some altitude. Lie down the valley here. Camped last night at the Hinton Entrance Airstrip.
Jasper Hinton local traffic, 7 Romeo Hotel Yankee, currently showing at 6 miles to the west in the middle of the valley, and is out for Jasper Hinton Airport, roughly 10 minutes to field.
And how was your sleep in the tent last night?
The worst sleep I've ever had. The worst experience in tent ever.
Oh.
I could not get comfortable.
Yeah.
I didn't have enough pillows. My mat wasn't big enough.
Right. I didn't sleep the greatest, but I did get to sleep at some point in there, and I woke up at 5. 267 traffic in the area of Hinton. Gulf X-ray Zulu Sierra, Cessna 182 is 15 to the southeast of Hinton at 6,900 feet, climbing for 75, and we are tracking towards Wolf Lake. 267 traffic, Gulf X-ray Zulu Sierra. I think I'm going to carry on up to 9,500 because it's too rough down here. Well, it's 85. One more 1,000.
Clearwater, Kilo Victor X-ray, 6 to the south, 7,500 feet, tracking northeast.
Now the air is getting nice and cool. We are to the southwest of it, 20 miles. Traffic on 267 Gulf X-ray Zulu Sierra, Cessna 182 is 20 to the southwest of Edson. And we are at 9,500 feet, tracking eastbound. 267 traffic, Gulf X-ray Zulu Sierra. It's not weird, we just get up here and it's just dead smooth, eh? To get above a certain height, the heat isn't as Effective of the turbulence once you get up higher. That's Wolf Lake straight ahead.
Well, there's people camping there across, you know, where people said you could camp?
Yeah. On the airstrip?
No, on the other side.
Oh, the park, the provincial park.
Can you camp at the airstrip there? Right at the airstrip, but you got to go over to the park?
You can't camp at the airstrip. You're not the old caretaker of the park. Kick people out of the airstrip, but the new caretaker welcomes them there. So.
Because you could probably take the boat across, eh?
You could, yeah.
I forgot there was a camping spot there.
Yeah. Traffic on 267 Gulf X-ray Zulu Sierra Cessna 182 is 10 to the northwest of the Brazeau Reservoir at 9,500 feet, and we are tracking to the southeast towards Red Deer. 267 traffic Gulf X-ray Zulu Sierra.
X-ray Zulu Sierra, it's November Bay Golf, do you copy?
I copy.
I was just wondering, I couldn't reach Barry at all, but I don't know if it's my radio or his radio, but I couldn't talk to him at all. Yeah, do you have me now? Oh, there I hear you, Barry.
Yeah, I hear Barry as well.
Here, I'm just in the interclass C airspace here, so I got a phone terminal, but yeah, we're at 7,500 feet just north of Pigeon Lake. Okay, we're 21 miles still west of Drayton Valley. What altitude you flying at? I'm at 5,500. Yeah, we're 7,500. Nice and cool up here, a little smoother. I gotta switch over to terminal. I'll catch you at home. Okay, see you at Capital. Have a good flight, Don.
You too, Ron. It's the Brazeau, baby.
Yeah. I have to cover my legs because they're white in the showing up in my camera.
Well, see there,
The pictures don't work.
That is something a true photographer would only notice.
This giant lake ahead was created in 1965 when the TransAlta Power Company developed a hydroelectric power plant by damming up the Brazeau River where it joins the Elk River. The resulting lake stretches for 20 kilometers or 12 miles, making this the largest hydroelectric plant that TransAlta owns. It generates an average of 397,000 megawatt hours per year. And what would a brand new lake be without recreation areas? There are 2 small campgrounds, 3 larger group camps, a nice sand beach, boat launches, and fish cleaning facilities, making this a great spot for camping, bird and wildlife watching, canoeing, and kayaking, as well as fishing and powerboating. While this place is only a 2-hour drive from my house, I honestly didn't even know it existed until I flew over it last year. Now that I know about it, I think it would make a great place for a weekend camping adventure. There's actually an old abandoned airstrip to the west of this lake, but apparently it's no longer in landable condition, so we'd likely drive out in our motorhome.
Wow, that's cool.
That was a 45-degree turn bank angle.
That was the best viewing of something that I had for a while.
Oh, good. I'll have to get better at that. Traffic on 267 Gulf X-ray Zulu Sierra Cessna 182 is 3 to the south of Brazeau Dam at 9,600 feet, and we are tracking to the southeast. 267 traffic Gulf X-ray Zulu Sierra.
Last night we stayed at Hinton Entrance Airport. We flew into a grass field there and tented under our wing. We had a couple other sets of new friends that were also there. So yeah, we hung out and had supper. A very hot day yesterday, around 30-ish. The cool breeze did come in the evening and we needed the fire to cook our food.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. And just hung out till almost noon, just chatting and having breakfast and sitting around today. And
yeah, it was a nice, very nice trip. We've seen some amazing scenery yesterday. Climbed through the mountains, down a new valley we've never been down before, but I've kind of always wanted to go down it.
And what valley was that?
The valley, Malign Lake. It's a valley that is south of Jasper. You could drive to Malign Lake as well.
Uma cerveja na mesa e tá bom. A fábrica.
I'm definitely maybe feeling like some fried chicken on our way home or something.
Red Air information Oscar at 2002 Zulu. Wind 170 at 7. Wind variable between 090 and 180. Visibility 9 miles. Few clouds at 6,000. Temperature 28. Dew point 14. Altimeter 3024. Approach on Av 17. Arriving and departing runway 17. Inform ATC that you have information Oscar.
In 25, we're going to switch to 122 point. Red Deer area traffic, Golf X-ray Zulu Sierra, Cessna 182 is 5 miles to the west of Sylvan Lake at 8,200 feet, and we are in a descent and tracking towards Red Deer. Red Deer area traffic, Golf X-ray Zulu Sierra. Red Deer Tower, Golf X-ray Zulu Sierra, Cessna 182.
Golf X-ray Zulu Sierra, Red Deer Tower.
Golf X-ray Zulu Sierra is on the west end of Sylvan Lake, 8,100 feet in a descent, and we're inbound for a full stop.
X-ray Zulu Sierra Tower, squawk 0366, runway 17, wind 170 at 4, gusting 16, altimeter 3023, cleared right base.
Walking 0366, and we are cleared for a right base for 17. X-ray Zulu Sierra.
Roger. Papa Bravo Tower, what altitude are you planning to Rocky Mountains?
About 5,700 feet.
Papa Bravo, Roger. Traffic just on the south side of Sylvan Lake inbound to the airport is a 182, currently at 7,400 feet. It's going to keep you on my frequency for a little bit till you guys pass.
We check that. Papa Bravo.
X-ray Zulu Sierra Tower.
Go ahead, X-ray Zulu Sierra.
Traffic about 4 miles to the west, proceeding westbound to Rocky Mount House is a 172. They're at 5,000, climbing to 5,700. Proceed direct Twin Ponds, and Twin Ponds to the right base, runway 17, and that should keep you clear of them.
Roger that, we will fly to Twin Ponds. Now, where is it? Look for two circular lakes. Or sloughs, basically.
they're not on there?
I don't see them. They're too small to be on here.
Okay.
Yankee Hotel Alpha Tower, you are identified at 3,500.
Roger that. Requesting early left turn to Pinoca.
Yankee Hotel Alpha, early left turn is approved.
Do you have any landmarks, Tom, or where are they usually at? Sylvan Lake?
Might be them straight ahead.
Okay. I don't know where they're supposed to be.
I think they're straight ahead.
Papa Bravo Tower, traffic at your 2 o'clock, 5 miles, opposite direction, 182, 6,200 descending.
Check that, we'll look for them. Papa Bravo.
Papa Bravo, they should pass well off your right side there. Surveillance services terminate, change onward frequency, have a good flight.
Thank you very much. Papa Bravo.
Oh, it's getting bumpy. Holy cow.
Next is Zulu Sierra Tower. Traffic at just crossing your 3 o'clock for 3 miles westbound, Cessna 5,800, no conflict.
Roger that, X-ray Zulu Sierra. Beautiful ground, eh? Also such a nice shade of green. Oh. We used to call this checkpoint the silo. You see that little black silo?
Yeah.
Like, the ponds are much easier to see than the silo, so Twin Ponds is a much better name for it.
Yeah, but in the winter you might not be able to see them.
That's true. Okay, mixture goes rich. Carb heat's on, landing lights on. Gas, undercarriage. Mixture.
X-ray Zulu Sierra Tower, where are you looking to park today?
We are going to Skywing, X-ray Zulu Sierra.
X-ray Zulu Sierra, roger. In that case, you can plan to exit at the end onto taxiway Bravo, wind 14085, clear to land runway 17.
Clear to land 17, X-ray Zulu Sierra.
Yankee Hotel Alpha, tower surveillance services terminate, change hour frequency, we'll see you on the way back.
Alright, let's get some flaps in it.
Yankee Hotel Alpha, tower surveillance service terminate, change hour frequency.
Roger that, changing to auto frequency, Yankee Hotel Alpha.
I'm going to land long, so I don't have as long a taxi. So see, I got my speed down to 90 by just trimming the nose up and pulling the throttle back. So hot, the air is just rising. I just want to go down. Dead center.
X-ray Zulu Sierra Tower, exit at the end Bravo, you can taxi Bravo Alpha into Skywing, let's just monitor ground 121.9.
219, X-ray Zulu Sierra. X-ray Zulu Sierra, just wondered if you could close my flight plan.
X-ray Zulu Sierra, roger, what was your departure point?
Hinton Entrance.
Roger, your flight plan is closed.
Thank you, X-ray Zulu Sierra.
Are you going to get gas?
Too hot.
Thanks for joining us today. It's been a great weekend. We're plenty tired and ready for our own bed. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We've got some absolutely amazing adventures coming up, including a 12-day adventure to Vancouver Island on the west coast of Canada, which was far beyond our wildest expectations. It will be an amazing multi-part adventure pushing me far out of my comfort zone once again as we explore the shores and beaches of the North Pacific Ocean. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.
Oh, they got the hangar open. Like they're doing some Sunday training.
Glad to see you.